already a plan of DPWH to also widen the road there and make it 4 lanes. See? So when they do that, it's much convenient. Now, what's gonna happen in that market? In that market, in the fish market, lahat yan, yung mga nakatira ng mga informal settlement, lahat yun, may pabahay na yun. Sinasabi na lumipat na sila. Kasi talagang i-clear yung area na yan. And what are we going to do there? If you notice, kung napansin ninyo, di ba sa likod ng McDonald's, ang daming nagdadak, na galing Pasay, galing iba-iba yung lugar, Santa Rita, minsan may dinagat pa, di ba? We are also developing a port for those and a passenger terminal for Tacloban City. Okay? That's why our lawyers are studying. Now, magkakaroon tayo ng Tacloban Port Authority. Now, dito, kaya makikita mo yung building dyan sa likod ng palengke, di ba, may Coast Guard. Yan, i-develop yan ang magiging bagong terminal. Doon na magdadak yung mga ibang vessel. Para naman for security also, may dadaanan sila para ma-screen natin sino yung pumapasok sa Tacloban. Understand me? So, this is part of urban planning. And then, we will move now the market further in Anibong. Now, when you move that market, what are you going to do? It's easier to construct it from ground because we can put now a rain catchment from the roof so we can use the water. Second, we can fix now maayos na drainage system para hindi tayo nagkakaproblema. Third, there's a big parking area, okay, that will be available. Fourth, we will solarize it also. Magiging solar powered yan. Fifth, magkakaroon na ng cold storage yan. Lahat yan eh. Paano mo nang gagawin sa lumang market na yan? Congested na, masikip na talaga. Di pa tayo sa labas. Para naman, yung mga mamamalengke, hindi na kailangan pumunta sa traffic ng downtown. Pwede ka na dun sa Anibong. So this is what we're doing. And part of that will be also developing the market in San Jose and the other area, public markets that we have. Okay? Which I'm also encouraging the private sector. You want to put a market and get a franchise from the city, well and good. Mag-comply ka lang. You see? Mag-comply. Kaya in-explain ko, may mga baras eh. For example, subdivisions. We have subdivisions here that are flooded. Subdivisions. Mayor, itong problema natin. Ita-turn over sa city. The city cannot accept it if it does not comply with the standard measurement of a road, a sidewalk, and all of that. You see what I'm saying? That's why we're very strict now. Even when you get now a permit for a subdivision, you have to now comply with all the measurements that's needed for standard road, standard size of a sidewalk, and then yung sinasabi nila pagtayo mo ng building na hindi kailangan, it has to be several meters away from the main road, I mean, on the center line of the road. Lahat yan nandiyan eh. If you comply with that, with the proper building permit, then the city can accept it as a donation later on and we will maintain the streets. But if it does not comply to that measurement, we are constricted by law to accept that subdivision. Kaya natagalan kami sa BNG.